In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to watermark in Canva. If you want to protect your design, brand your content, or simply add a subtle text overlay to an image or logo, Canva makes the process very simple. A watermark is usually a piece of text, or sometimes a logo, placed on top of a design with lowered transparency so it stays visible without overpowering the main content. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to create that effect in a clean and professional way. Start by opening your Canva design. Before you make the watermark, make sure you already have the image or logo you want to place it over. You'll also want to have your watermark text prepared. If you haven't added the text yet, go to the left panel in Canva, click Text, and then choose Add a Text Box. From there, type the text you want to use as your watermark and style it however you like. This is a good moment to choose a simple font and a color that will still be readable once the transparency is lowered. Once your text is ready, select the watermark by clicking on it. This tells Canva that this is the element you want to edit. After selecting it, move your attention to the top toolbar. There, look for the transparency option. It usually appears as an icon that looks like a checkerboard. Click that to open the transparency controls. Now lower the transparency of your watermark. You can do this by dragging the slider to the left, which makes the text more faint and subtle. If you prefer more control, you can also type a specific value into the field provided. This is useful if you want a consistent watermark style across multiple designs. In most cases, the goal is to make the watermark visible enough to be recognized, but not so strong that it distracts from the image underneath. After adjusting the transparency, drag the watermark into position over your image or logo. You can place it in the center for a more obvious branded look, or move it to a corner if you want something more discreet. If needed, use the resize handles to make it larger or smaller so it fits the design better. You can also use the rotate handle at the bottom of the text if you want to angle the watermark for a more stylized appearance. Take a final look at the overall balance of the design to make sure the watermark feels intentional and easy on the eyes. And that's it. That's how to watermark in Canva.